So I'm going to show you the difference between a and the. How to use them in sentences, what are the rules with activities. For the activities, I will do part and you do the rest. So let's start. A and an. How to use them? You need to use them before singular nouns, and they have to be general nouns, right? So if we look at A here needs we need to use A before the consonant letters. What are the consonant letters? As you can see them on the video, are related to the first letter of the noun. Like for example, doll. Doll here, the first letter is D. So in this case, we use a doll, a ball, a toy. With all of these, A. Why? Because if you look at the first letter of doll, it starts with D, and D is consonant. Ball, B is consonant. Toy, T is consonant, and the same thing. As for an, you need to use an with vowel letters. What are the vowel letters? They are the 5 English letters: A, I, O, U, and E. So if the first letter of this noun starts with any of these 5 letters, then you need to use an. An apple. What is the first letter of apple? A. So we use an. An orange. What is the first letter? O. So we use an. And the same thing with the other vowel letters. Alright? The other one, the. When do we use the? We need to use it with specific singular and plural nouns. For example, you are in the classroom talking about specific student, right? So instead of using the name of the student, you can say the boy or the girl in the classroom. So in this case, when we say the girl in the classroom, we know which girl we are talking about. Why? Because we are talking about a specific girl, right? So let's look at this example to understand the idea better. For example, we have a new student in our class. Sentence number 2. The new student's name is Jack. What does that mean? If you look at the first sentence, we used A. Why? Because we don't know who is this new student. We have no idea about the name, about the level, nothing. We have no idea. And that's why we used A. We have a new student in our class. But after getting some information about this student, we can say the new student's name is Jack. So in here we use the. Why? Because we know which new student we are referring to. So this is the difference between A and the. The same thing goes to an. All you need to do is just look at the first letter of the noun. If the first letter is consonant, use A. If it is vowel, use an. That's it. So now let's do some activities. So I really hope you got my point from this example. And now what we are going to do, we are going to do some activities. I will do part of it and you do the rest. Stop the video for 1-2 minutes, okay, to answer all the questions in the comment section so that we can discuss the answers together. So let's start. So let's look at these examples. My boss lives in United States of America. So in here, because we have United States, and usually if you have United, we need to use the United States of America. Let's eat in the hotel. Why do we use the? Because we are talking about specific hotel that we want to eat in. Number 3. Tina pets the parrot. Why parrot? Because we are focusing on specific parrot that Tina has. Now it is your turn to do the rest of the questions. So
Stop the video for a few minutes to answer all of them, then write your answers in the comment section, and then continue watching the video.
I really hope you got my point from today's tutorial video, and if you have any questions on how to use a, and the, all you need to do, leave your questions on the comment section, right? So as for the upcoming video, I will be focusing on pronouns because there are different types of pronouns that I will be focusing on each one of them. So if you have any questions on how to use any of them, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, and if you enjoyed today's video, please give it like and share it among your friends and your classmates as well. And if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, video topics, basically just let me know in the comment sections, right? So in this case, I wish you a happy day and I'll see you very soon. Bye.